Hello, my name is Ashley, and welcome to Invested 505. This is a quick, brief tour of Coinbase. So, if you're watching this video, you may have been referred by someone or by myself. So, I'm just going to let you know how to get started and get going. Once you're at Coinbase, whether it's on your computer or your browser, you're going to get the home screen, which is going to tell you what your portfolio balance is, which means that any of the assets you purchase, whether they're up or down, you get to keep track of what the total amount of your balance is on this particular platform. So you can scroll down and you will see all the different assets that are out there in the crypto world, but that doesn't mean that Coinbase, you can purchase these on Coinbase. There's about 54 or 44 coins that's available to buy on Coinbase, and I'll show you that in just a second. The next thing I want to show you is your portfolio. We're going to click on the portfolio. All the assets that you currently have would be on top of the list of all the assets that Coinbase have. So anything that you own in Coinbase will be on the top of the list right here. What you're looking at on the side, this number that's ticking away, certain assets, you earn interest. They call it rewards, so it's interest. Is interest just holding them there? As long as they're in your account, you're earning them. And another word for that would be considered staking. But on Coinbase, you don't really have to stake. They do it for you, and you can see it in real time. Now, I don't really have anything that's earning interest right now other than this Algorand. And this is one of those assets that Coinbase gave me for answering questions, and then I just bought a few more to add to it. I didn't even realize that it was giving me interest. I haven't even had it that long, and I almost have a half of an Algorand. And I think Algorand was worth 27 cents when I first purchased it. I'm not exactly sure. Annual percent yield 6%, rewards received, lifetime rewards. So yeah, so I earned a whole half of one in just maybe a couple of weeks of even owning it. And it was 27 cents a coin. So let's take a look at how much it is right now. Okay, so we're just going to type it in ALG. There we go. So right now they're worth $1.05. So it was like 27 cents when they gave them to me for free. I think it went up a little bit when I purchased some more. And so I guess I've earned 50 cents over a couple of weeks. I don't know if you can earn 50 cents. If you had that kind of money in the bank, or, just that little bit of money worth in the bank, I don't know. But this is what they're worth here. Okay, so back to where we were going. Let's go back to portfolio and let's take a look at these. I want to talk about some of these assets on here. You have the US coin and the DAI coin. So I do want to touch on this really quick. The US coin and DAI coins are considered stable coins. Now there's several different types of stable coins, but these are the ones that's on Coinbase right now. What a stable coin is a coin that is always going to be around $1. It's never going to vary too far away from $1. So you're not really losing holding it on there. If it does go below $1, typically it's between 3 to 6 cents, but on average it's about 1 to 3 cents below, or 1 to 3 cents above. So if you decide you want to sell and you have those assets and it's below, just wait till it goes back up. If it's, if you're trying to sell enough of it to that little bit of drop would make a difference. But typically they're always around $1. And you just earn a little bit of interest just holding it there. Now, when you want to sell your assets, let's just say you decide, okay, well, listen, I need a cheeseburger. I don't have any money available. So I'm going to sell off some of these assets real quick and, catch one of them burgers at Burger King and stuff like that. So you would just you click on the assets, you go on here, and you just, whichever assets you want to buy or sell. Right now it's on the buy side, so we're going to go to sell. It automatically converts when you sell, you're selling into this coin called USD. It's a cash coin. So they're going to charge you to sell your coins. So it tells me right here, I have 184 of these algos that's worth $193. So I could sell them all and just hit the sell button and it'll show you, it's telling me right now the fee is going to be $3. So it's going to convert into that USD coin, but we don't want that because I'm not selling. Once you get the USD coin, Then you want to cash that out, and that will drop the USD coin directly into your bank account. Whatever bank account, your debit account that you have set up, it'll automatically be instantaneously, and I think they'll charge you like $1.99, or I think it's like $1.99 to drop that into your debit account, or you can do it through the checking, which will take about 3 to 5 business days, and then it'll show up in your checking. And I don't believe you're paying the $1.99 at that point, but you're only paying the extra to use instant, which is the debit. Now, here's another way that you can earn money with Coinbase, free money or free assets. If you click the rewards button, it will take you all the way down to the bottom of the page. Or if you're on the browser and you don't see that, on the mobile and you don't see that rewards button, just scroll to the bottom and you'll see where they offer you free assets, just for answering a few questions. And here they are right here. Like Salo, you can see that I earned $6. They were offering $2 per each question. You don't have to get the answer right. You can just keep clicking. It's a multiple choice. You just keep clicking till you finally click the right one. But if you do want to learn about the assets that you are earning this money from, you click on that particular asset and there will be a short video. They vary between 1 minute to 2.5 minutes. And at the end of the video, that's when the questions will pop up, or you can skip the video by hitting next and just go straight into the questions. It'll ask you, what is Salo? And then some multiple choice questions will pop up. And, actually, no, it just took me to the next video. I believe it did that because I've already answered all this stuff. And I guess they feel like I'm just trying to get some extra stuff for free. But that's what it's about, right? So, and you just move on to the next ones. These are all the ones you can earn from. And as you can see, I've earned all these different assets. Sometimes it'll be like $40 worth of assets total. Each one that says that I've earned $3, that means it was $1 per question. If it's $6, that typically means it was $2 per question. So that just kind of tells you they offer different. Some of them are even $3 per question. So that's one way that you can earn some free money on Coinbase. Now, another way that you can earn some extra stuff on Coinbase, well, it's through referrals. A lot of people get referred to Coinbase. Coinbase offered an incentives to referrals. So I don't believe that this is something that you can get if you just sign up on your own. But if a friend gives you a link, or if you find a link somewhere, you can get an extra $10 in Bitcoins once the person that you referred buys or sells $100 worth of crypto. Now, this doesn't count with the stuff that they give you on here for free. This is fresh money coming in or going out. So if you already own cryptocurrency and you don't have a Coinbase account, but you signed up through someone's referral link, and you transfer in and you sell up to $100 worth, or you sell $100 worth, it doesn't have to be all at once, just be over time, buy or sell over time. But once you hit this $100 mark, they will instantly drop $10 worth of Bitcoin into your account and to the person who referred you. So how do you get your referral link? All you have to do is just click the copy link button and it'll just show up. And I'm just going to paste it here so you can see what it looks like. This is what your referral links looks like, and you can put it in your Instagram, send it to someone by text or on WhatsApp or whatever. Another way to do it is you just put someone's email into this email address box and hit send invites, and it will just send out an email to that person saying that you are inviting them, and it'll have the link automatically deposited into that inbox. So I think I've covered pretty much everything to get you going with Coinbase on how to buy, how to sell your portfolio. One last thing. So you can see what assets that Coinbase actually sells so you can know what to purchase. You click on prices. Now, once prices load up, you make sure that you're on tradable assets on this drop-down menu. By default, it's usually on all assets right here, which shows you everything that's in the crypto world. But just make sure it's on tradable assets. This means that these are things that Coinbase offers. Coinbase vets their assets extremely well. They don't play around. They want to make sure that anything that they add on there is going to have some kind of long-term value and it's serious, because throughout the crypto world, and I've been on here since 2017 or maybe 2016, I can't remember. A lot of these assets has come and gone. A lot of them are just scams, and some of them are just trends. Coinbase tried to get the coins that are going to be more than trends. They're going to be staples and something that's real world use and that will be around for quite some time. So now they have quite a few. I remember they only had like 3 or 4. It was really hard to get on Coinbase. And typically when assets gets on here, they do tend to go up pretty high pretty quickly, and then they come down and stabilize and then have an organic growth from there. So these are what's available for Coinbase. Typically you can't go wrong no matter what you invest in on Coinbase. You do pay a little bit more on Coinbase than you would on any other exchange, but that's the price you pay for security, for ease of use, and convenience. Um, Once you sell out, Coinbase does charge you to go into your debit card, which we looked at. But also, Coinbase is offering a debit card for their their platform, which should alleviate a lot of those fees because you don't have to withdraw. You can just spend your money directly from Coinbase at a store. So look into that. Look into getting on the list for this. And I hope this was enough to get you guys going, to get you guys started. If you have any questions, you can just hit me up privately on the WhatsApp, or just hit me up on YouTube with Invested 505 or Instagram Invested 505, and I'll be happy to answer any questions that I can. And keep in mind, I am not a financial investor or a financial advisor, I meant to say, but I can only give you my experiences and the things that I've already went through to help your learning curve be a little bit shorter, okay? A little bit less of a curve. So good luck and happy investing.